Hey guys, so I am back again doing another Halloween haul. I know it's only been like a week since my last one, but I'm obsessed and I go to shops pretty much daily, I would say, or at least every other day, looking for Halloween stuff. So it's kind of building up quick, and before I like forget little things, I'd rather just show you it all and get it out of the way. So a lot of it is wrapped up, as you can see. I'm gonna have to just unwrap it as we go. But let's just get into it. So the first thing I got was these jars. So these are glass skull jars. They're pretty big, as you can see. I would say like human head sized, and it's like an iridescent glass, so it's got this rainbowiness to it, and then the lids are like a black metal. Now, I originally just got one of these. These were $3.99, which I think is really cheap. But then I ended up going back and getting two more because I thought when I move out, I'm going to do like one with rice, one with pasta, maybe one with some other pasta or flour or something. And just have these like lined in the cupboard. Because for $3.99, I feel like that was pretty good. So I got 3 of those. Next I got another bottle because if you've seen my giveaway, I did say in the giveaway I'm going to give away one of the bottles from my last Halloween haul, so I ended up buying another one for myself. And this one again is one of those like that keeps hot drinks hot, cold drinks cold. I would say generally this is more for cold drinks though, because it's got a little straw that pops out of the top. But it's just got this like skull design on it, and this was $7.99 like the other bottles. Then I have been searching everywhere for a black and white pumpkin jar that matches the other black and white pumpkin stuff I got last time, and I cannot find it anywhere. So I kind of gave up and I ended up with this one. So it's just like a little jar like this. Obviously it's an orange pumpkin, so it's kind of not the same. I would have preferred the black and white one, but this one was $5.99, so I just grabbed it anyway because it's pretty cute. So there is that. Then next we have another jar. This is the last of my jars for now. Again, clear glass with a spider web on it. It's another one of these that like pops open and it's got a black lid, but this one was $3.99, and after buying it I don't really like it anymore. It's super difficult to open this, like literally takes so much strength that my nails nearly break off sometimes. It's also got a tiny little chip somewhere on the lid. Where was it? Oh, literally the tiniest chip here. But I don't know, it just, when I got it I liked it, and then afterwards I was like, it looks a little bit like cheap, but there's that anyway. So that is the jars for now. I'm going to try and not buy more jars because I literally don't need them. I don't even know what I'm putting in these jars. I'm just buying them because it's like an addiction. So next I have these, which is some skull grinders. So these are little glass skulls, and they are like salt and pepper grinders. We've got sea salt in this one, pink Himalayan salt in this one, and chipotle sea salt in this one, which I've never really heard of before. I might try that one later. These were $9.99. I feel like that's kind of expensive, but these are super heavy. I'm also hoping that these are actually refillable. I've not opened this and checked yet, but if I open this and like you can't refill it, I feel like that's a little bit pointless. So fingers crossed they are, but that is those anyway. Then next I got this, which I will unwrap and show you now. This is a little glass pumpkin. It's actually really heavy. It's not showing up like it does in person on camera. In person this is super rainbowy, like practically neon, like oil slick rainbow, but on camera it's just showing up really black. Fair enough. Well, the stalk's black, but the rest of it isn't black. I don't know why it's kind of showing up like that, but this was $4.99. It's kind of like a paperweight, like it is really weighty, but I just thought that was really cute, so there is that. Then next I got this, which is super random. This was from The Range. Everything else so far has been from TKMaxx, even the skull grinders, the little pumpkin, everything TKMaxx. This was from The Range, and it's just a doormat that says trick or treat on it. It's like got little bats on it and stuff. It's not the best quality, honestly. It's like really thin. It's got this rubbery backing on it. This was $4.99. I just kind of grabbed it because it was grey. I might actually keep that in my car, like in the car boot, sort of like a boot liner or something, I don't know. But yeah, I got that anyway. Next I got these from Matalan. So these are just little bowls which say serial killer on them. Now, when I went to, I've been to 2 Matalans to find these now, and I only found 1. So I've had to order some online. I've ordered 2 online. They are still available online. These were only £3 each, and I ended up buying 3. I might put 1 in my giveaway, so it's a possibility. I don't really need 3, so there is those. Then next I got 2 glasses. Now I did get one of the glasses from this set last year, and I just thought I'd kind of grab the other 2 so I have more of them. These are super dirty. I literally bought them like this. I don't know if you can see how gross. I don't think it's really showing up on camera very well, but these are like, they look like they've been dropped in the mud. But anyway, it just says All Hallows Apothecary Witch's Grade Elixir on this one. This was $2.99. And then I also got this one. The one from last year I think says like bat's blood on it or something like that. This one I think is my favourite one. It says arsenic poison, dreadful hollow druggist, no antidote, use only as directed, with a skull and crossbones on there. Again, this one was $2.99 as well. So now I have these 2 and the bat one, and they kind of like go together as a set sort of thing. And then I have these. Now there is a lot of these, so if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have probably seen the other day, I've started doing a thing now where I'm packing up all my house stuff to put, like, to store away, because I'm kind of buying house items and I don't have a house, so they needed to be stored. But I got these little like saucer plates. They're not full-size dinner plates, they're just like little ones. This is the first one. Obviously it's got an annoying sticker over this skeleton's face, but there is 3 skeletons here. These 2 are sat having dinner. It's got a little chandelier. So that is those. I got 2 of them. They were £3.49 each. So that's the other one, 2 of that design. And then I also got these ones. So there is this one, which has these 2 skeletons on. It's by the same company and everything. So I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of these. Again, the sticker is annoying and in the way, but it's like a little church graveyard scene. And the skeletons are like digging the graves. I don't know, I just thought they were cute. All of these, like I said, were $3.49 each, so I got 6 altogether. I got 2 of each design. Then next I also got these from the range. It says Halloween decorative ribbon, 2.7 meters. So there is this sparkly spider one with cobwebs and stuff. There is this black one with silver skull and crossbones. And there is this black one with like foil gold skulls and filigree and stuff. That one's not really showing up very well, but there you go. They were 99p each, so pretty cheap. I also got this from the range, which isn't really Halloweeny at all. It's more Christmas, but I did pick it up for Christmas. It's just some tinsel, like tree tinsel, and it's black with iridescent silver little skulls on it. This was, how much was this? I don't actually know. Oh, this was 99p too, so that's pretty cheap. So there's like, does it say 4 meters? 4 meters of tinsel for 99p, so not too bad. And then the last thing that I got was this very cute little pumpkin from TKMaxx, which was $3.99. It's just kind of painted black with these silver spikes on it, and it currently lives on my shelf. So yeah, that was everything that I've got so far for my second haul. It wasn't a big haul, but like I said, because I'm buying like house items like this that I want to like wrap and store away, I didn't want them just staying in my room for ages, because like I really don't need to be sleeping next to like skull salt grinders, you know. So yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe. If you've not already seen, I am doing a giveaway at the minute until the 5th of September. So I'll link that down below if you want to go and check that out. I might get some of these things to put in it, you never know. Like I said, I did buy 2 bottles a little similar to this in my last Halloween haul, and one of them is going in the giveaway. So yeah, if any of you really love any of this stuff, maybe like little pumpkin or something, maybe I'll go and grab another one to put in the giveaway as well if you want to go and enter that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.